slow tomorrow. I mean, I'm probably recommending we fill up our fuel, like all of it here. You know, we've only got probably about another, so I kept it completely open with no pressure.
Prizes for you, nothing. That's all right, congratulations. Thank you. Lovely. So yeah,
Well, here we are in Cairns, having a beautiful breakfast. I think today is about 140, 150 kilometres to Cooktown, and then we're certainly getting into the more remote areas of Australia. Bit of a sad day for me yesterday. I said farewell to my shadow, Noah, and certainly miss him. He was with us from Sydney, but I'll be missing my whole family, including Splash the Wonder Dog. Well, here we are in Cairns. We're a bit late leaving, about 11:30, through a couple of electronic communication problems between each other. Very simple thing, but we lost about 5 hours today, so we've decided to head on up and probably go on past Cooktown. We haven't told you that yet, Zorro. But anyway, basically Mick's going to be farewelling Esther and also Angus. Angus is out fishing at the moment, so he'll be having a happy day, and we'll be having the first night sleeping on the boats tonight, so something to look forward to. One of our lovely hosts here in Cairns looked after us like a true champion. G'day guys! You having any luck? Could be. Yeah, no, it could be. Was it touching one of the other lead? G'day Rob, Robert Pennicott here mate, how are you? Yeah, alright, but we got about 40 miles out, and my port engine, the left-hand one, you know, facing forward, started missing a little bit, and it's using about 13 litres compared to the other one using 9. I get so pissed off with this soap. It was running perfectly, you know, for the first 100 hours and then bang.
Wow. Hey guys.
What are you up to?
We've got a bit of a motor plane up here. Is it Skags is what we're after?
Bit of stag.
Bit of stag.
You know, dude, oh that's lucky. I probably just need a plug spanner and then change the plugs, and hopefully that will fix it, Mick. Well, had a bit of a problem out there today with one of the engines and just trying to fix it now. Not confident we have, but we'll just go for a bit of a spin and see what it's like. Well, here we are, home sweet home for the night. We've got the sleeping bags out, but I did say this morning we're sleeping on the boat tonight. I just didn't say which boat. We've scored well.